Okay, onti na lang, tapos ano na tayo, formation. Yes, dami, sobrang daming aspi, nakakatuwa. Ay, parang tumukha kayo. Oo nga eh. Ate, oh. Kamukha mo. Lois! Ayun na. Oo. Magkakamukha.
Were adopted from PAWS, and it's so nice to see our volunteers, fellow Aspen parents, right here at the Berkeley's North Rain Garden. And here's the thing, we're here to celebrate a very special thing, right? You guys remember what it is? It's all over our shirts, our umbrellas. It is National Aspen Day, so reminding those who are wearing the orange shirts to come join us, find your place. In our letters right over here, we have ASPIN, spelling out the word Aspen.
Guide pala ng letters.
Straight line ng letter A, diretso po. Yan, better. Better. Okay, now letter X.
Okay. Yay! Ay, hello! Bye! Bye! Okay. Opo.
Last na po na, last week. Can we ask dalawa na sa part ng letter A? Part ng letter A. Yes, yan. Tsaka yung isa pa. Adjust. Letter A.
Yay!
Ito po dito sa M. Bila ko, 1, 2, 3. Happy National Aspen Day. Aspen Day. Stand by. Ready?
Rolling.
1, 2, 3.
Happy National Aspen Day! Okay, so tapos na yung Aspen umbrella formation. Yan, so saan tayo pumunta?
Going to
There's
the atrium for the pet buffet.
Good job, ate!
Okay, so pauwi na kami. Ayan, si Miranda. Fortunately, hindi pa rin siya sumusuka. Adopt, don't shop. Sana, kung hindi nyo man sila ma-rescue or mapakain ang mga stray dogs and cats, wag na lang silang saktan. Okay? And that's it for today's vlog.
Okay, that's it guys. So, nakakapagod na araw pero sobrang worth it at sobrang masaya talaga kami. And happy rin kami na nakita namin yung ibang mga fur parents na kasama yung mga Aspin nila.
On this National Aspen Day, we have gathered more than 100 Aspens and Aspen parents here at the Ayala Mall's Vertis North Rain Garden to form a giant aspen sign, the first of its kind.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga nag-join sa National Aspen Day celebration namin. Ito yung aming biggest ever event na over 100 Aspens ang dumalo. Mabuhay ang Asong Pilay!
Thank you tayo sa pause guys. Thank you. Oh, ayan oh. Oh, di ba? Yehey. May treats. Oh, may treats. Okay, ito pa. Ayan. Tapos ito pa. Oh. Ayan, oh, di ba? Oh, may mga ganito pa. Ano natin mapapakita yan? Oh, ayan. So, and then this one, and then this one, and dito, mayroong bubble bath. Bubble bath. Food. From Yum Yum. That's it from Yum Yum. This one, vitamins. May vitamins. Ayan. May vitamins. Silicone massage brush. Silicone massage brush. Ano pa? Ito kung meron. Ito, pang ano lang cooks nyo. Pag lumalabas tayo. O, diba? Dami! Thank you! Thank you, boss! Yan, tuwa si Tommy. Saka si Ellie. Okay. Miranda! Bye-bye na ikaw. Bye! Okay. Miranda, say bye. Ellie!